Hello, everyone, and welcome to join this workshop. And I'm the product specialist at Zentao team and a licensed Scrum master. I would like to introduce how Scrum work in Zentao, and I'll start with introduce the 3-5-3 structure in Scrum, and then you take one of the Scrum roles and try Zentao features. Okay, let's start. So here's the screen. You can all see my share screen here. That's Zentao. Zentao is a professional application lifecycle management tool, and it supports agile projects, and it helps manage and track the process. You can see Scrum is the framework. It defines who does what and when, and the extreme programming is a practice. It ensures the code quality. And Zentao is the right tool for you to do agile. It track application development, and it has many features, including test, product management, project management, document, and so on, based on extreme programming. And in Zentao, there are 3 main roles. Let's see the next slide. It is the product owner, Scrum Master, and the development team. Here you can see the test team. The test team and the development team are part of the Scrum team. In the latest update, it is called a Scrum team. So it both contains development, like your developers, coders, and the testers. Then you can see here, that's the duplicated one. That's the product owner. So let's start here. Let's see the product owner. Product owner usually creates stories, user stories, or also we call it requirements into Zentao. But first, you have to create a product. Then you can add your stories and a link to your product. In the product story module, you should prioritize them and add your estimates there. 右边加 add estimates. Then you create a plan, then link your stories to this plan. And now you can see the Scrum Master here. Scrum Master usually takes the project manager role, and it creates a project or a sprint based on the plan. Then you link stories of this plan. Of course, you can always add stories that's not within the plan to the project. Then you break down the stories into smaller pieces, like tasks, for your development team to develop it. Then we come to the test part. In the test part, after the stories and the tasks has been done, a test request will be created, then sent to the test team to test it. And usually, you can link the test cases to the test request. And after, you can see here's the whole workflow here in Zentao. And if you find a report, a bug, you can create a report, create a bug report. And if everything's all right, or most of the tasks has been done in the way you expected, then you can pass the test to the product owner. So the product owner can create a release. Then your client or the stakeholders of the team can all review it. So basically, that's a three role related to this whole sprint: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the Scrum team. Now we can group into different roles, and you can play in Zentao demo. Let me show you the demo. Okay, thank you, Troy, for your demonstration on how to use Zentao. Except a product sprint test, the three main features of Zentao. We also have a document report. Always remember that Zentao provide a robust reporting feature. You can check your data in product sprint and request. Also, you can check the report under each module here. Let's see. You can see there's an option like for sprint overview. That's a kind of report. And for a test, you can see the report here. Okay, so next we're gonna go to the Q&A session. We can see the questions here. Let's see. It seems like a Pixel Jobs is asking about the pricing for Zentao self-hosted version of the Zentao Bees. For small teams, Zentao does provide a very affordable plan. It costs only like $20, no more than $30 US dollars. It's a perpetual license, which means once you pay for the license, you and your team can use it like forever, as long as Zentao is available to you. And also in the question and answer session, we are offering you a free trial for 30 days. Anyone of you like a free trial, just feel free to send an email to support@easycorp.ltd. I'll also write down the email here, so you can send all your information there, and we'll prepare you a lesson to license. We'll prepare the free trial lessons for you. Okay, here's the email, and here's Pixel have more. Pixel has more questions for us. Can I check the workload of? Okay, now we have two more questions from Pixel. The first one is whether Zentao has a Gantt chart feature. Like right now, I'm in Zentao open source, or so-called the community version. So if you want to see Gantt chart feature, you have to go to the Pro Zentao professional version. So you can do Gantt chart there. Let's see. Can I check the workload of my team? Yes, you can surely do that. Just try Zentao Pro or Zentao Bees. You will be able to see the effort of your team. It's almost time for the end of the workshop. I would like to thank you all for joining this event. And any questions, you can send your email to support@easycorp.com. Well, thank you everyone for joining me in this effort. 我不知道 join in effort. Cut. 重新再来这个。Thank you everyone who cut. Thank you all for your time. For any questions about Zentao, you can send an email to support@easycorp.ltd. 不行了，
评估一下太多。刚才那个问题不回答了都。
哪个？那俩问题啊？
嗯，
那俩问题我们说了嘛，
啊
可以去 Pro 嘛？
好，
那下次再讲。演员不好当啊，就主要还是没准备好。My bad. Any questions about Zentao and features? You can send an email to support@easycorp.ltd, or you can just use the online chat messenger on our website to request a free trial license. Thank you all again for your time. See you next time. Bye-bye.